This is Investor Ideas, and we're here at the Vancouver Resource Investment Conference 2016, and we're here to learn all about SilverCrest Metals.
Welcome everyone, we are at the Vancouver Resource Investment Conference 2016, and what you're seeing is the booth of SilverCrest Metals. The website address is SilverCrestMetals.com. The symbol on the Toronto Venture Exchange is SIL.
So let's hear what an expert has to say.
So when investing in gold stocks, the main thing is management, property, place, cash, balance sheet, and so on. So I'd like to just give you some stock picks for 2016, which I think will do quite well. The next company is SilverCrest Metals. So a lot of you know that SilverCrest Mines was one of my top picks for many years. They did very well, and late last year they were acquired by First Majestic. That is First Majestic's top performing asset. I've been down to the Santa Elena mine in Mexico. This is an all-in sustaining cost of several dollars an ounce. Now First Majestic now owns it, and their new company is now SilverCrest Metals, which has been spun out. They've got some great, they got $7.2 million in cash. They've got some great assets in Mexico. And when I started investing in SilverCrest Mines, they were just an exploration company about 15 years ago, and they were very successful in becoming a mining company. So I believe they're going to be able to do it again. They've got a couple of great projects. They just started drilling.
So for those of you that weren't able to attend this year's investor conference, here's a short clip of the SilverCrest Metals corporate presentation.
So SilverCrest Metals, I'll just call it the new SilverCrest probably sometime, and SilverCrest Mines is the old SilverCrest. So basically what you're getting in the market is, in SilverCrest Metals, is pretty much the same management team that had success with SilverCrest Mines and had a lot of success in the market over the last 15 years. What we want to do with SilverCrest Metals is do it again. That's our whole focus, is to do it again. If you looked at SilverCrest Mines' success, it started out in 2003. It kicked off exploration at its flagship mine, which is now a world-class mine in Mexico, in 2006. And its share price in 2006 went from about 30 cents to just over $3 in the course of about 10 years. We want to do that again for our shareholders or potential shareholders. Here's your cautionary statement. Just read that at your will. So again, our vision is to do it again. So explore, make a discovery, get into production as soon as practically and reasonably possible. These are 4 of the 6 properties that we're currently focused on. And the one down in the right-hand corner, Wasabas, we just finished a drill program on. So look for results of that in February. But our flagship is the Las Chispas, which is the red box furthest to your left there. This is a historic mining district. It's never been drilled. It produced approximately 120 million ounces of silver and about 200,000 ounces of gold between 1880 to 1930. There's over 20 epithermal veins. 3 of them have been mined. So there's a lot of smoke. We have results on the surface of kilos per ton silver and ounces per ton gold. So we're looking forward to, and look for news on this in February. We're going to actually go in and rehab the old mine, get it into a lot of the underground workings. There were a lot of stopes that were developed that never got mined. We're excited to get in and take a look at those. Average grade of this mine during production was 1.7 kilos silver and about 15 grams per ton gold. So pretty significant, over 2 to 5 meters widths in these veins. Again, this district has never been drilled, and it never got drilled because it was tied up in litigation for about 20 years. I went in and I solved that litigation. We came out with the whole district, and we were actually closing this deal when we were closing the deal with First Majestic last October. So this is fresh, this is new into the industry. There's just one of the veins of the plus 20 that are out there. You look at the orange line, that's what we have access to right now. The green line, the dashed line, is what we want to rehab. The purple is the high-grade stuff that was mined. Again, the grade you can see on the bottom there, 1.7 kilos silver and approximately 15 grams of gold that were mined historically. So they mined it down to the water table. We want to look below the water table, extensional stuff in some areas that they actually didn't mine when they were developing. Wasabos, this is a drill-to-kill project. We've just, like I said, we just finished over 1,000 meters here. It's a no-brainer. It's 15 meters wide, vein system, geochem is impressive at the surface from an epithermal standpoint. So look for these results coming out in February. We're just getting assays and compiling this. Little picture, we love things that are, and this is the SilverCrest mine story again too, and the success of SilverCrest mines moving forward. We like things that are very accessible. This is right off the highway, and you can see about 2 kilometers off the highway. You can drive a vehicle right to it. You can see the little photo in the middle there. The trucks are right there. So easy to drill, very inexpensive to explore. Cruz de Mayo, we took away from SilverCrest Mines, the old SilverCrest. This was our listing property. There's a small resource there. It's going to be held in inventory right now. Guadalupe was part of the transaction with First Majestic. This land package surrounds the Gavilanes discovery made by Santa Cruz. So this may have some legs for us later in the year. Again, our focus is Las Chispas and Wasabos right now. So again, in summary, excellent management team, strong cash position, good exploration potential in historic districts. We like Mexico, continue to like Mexico. I personally have been in Mexico off and on for about 20 years. The number one thing about Mexico is that you can permit things still in a very reasonable time. Anywhere else, I've worked in over 30 countries in the world. There's a lot of places that investors got to sit around for 5 to 10 years to find out if you're going to have a mine or not. Santa Elena mine with SilverCrest Mines was permitted in 6 months. We did an expansion in 9 months in the permitting process. Probably today, if I had a discovery at Las Chispas, I could permit something in about a year to get something into production now. Whereas if Las Chispas was sitting in Canada or the US or many other places in the world, you're talking 3 to 5, maybe even up to 10 years of getting your permits. That's the number one reason why I like Mexico.